How do I change a username in Windows 7? I have an install of Windows 7 that I've already put a few days into. Today I realized I'd made a mistake in the username and it's driving me nuts, my personal OCD. While changing the physical folder name is perhaps possible, though quite involved, I do not want to open that can of worms. What I want to do is simply change the username I give when the login prompt shows up. I thought it's possible by just renaming the user account in the user accounts, but that didn't work. Is it possible to do then? Or is the only way to create another user and spend hours migrating everything I'd already customized to that user?
Make a new account and do a settings and data transfer using Windows Easy Transfer from account to account. Delete the old account. All in all, this will not take long depending on the size of your profile.
Use the command netpwiz. It will give you a dialog box that will let you change the username instead of just the display name. Enter netpwiz at the command line. Select the account and click the Properties button. Enter the new name for the account. Works perfect and quick, you just need restart system after.
Try the procedure described here, how to rename or move a user profile folder. Renaming the user profile folder. To rename, or move, the user profile folder, you may use the following method. This method has been adopted from KB 314843, but this page explains in detail how to rename in user account home directory. Important note. Though you can move or rename the user profile folder, there may be some side effects after using this method. This is because of the reason that there may be some absolute path references to the old user profile folder in the registry added by third-party software. Therefore, there may be a loss of functionality in the respective applications. Before modifying the registry, you need to take a full backup, in case you want to undo the changes or to recover from disasters caused by incorrect registry modifications if any. You may use Errant for a full registry backup. Use Registry Editor at your own risk. Rename the user profile folder using Windows Explorer. Log on to an admin account that is not the account being renamed. Open the Documents and Settings folder by typing this in Start, Run dialog. %system drive %\documents and settings. The list of folders will be displayed. Select the corresponding folder of the user account that you want to rename. Example. Next step is to notify the system that the user profile path has changed. Changing the profile image path value in the registry. The profile list registry key contains some sub-keys, which are nothing but the list of user account security identifiers, SID. Each of the SID represents an account. The key is located here. Identify the SID for your user account, and change the profile path. To know the SID for your user account, you may use the script sidlist.vbs. Download the script and run it. The user account names and SIDs will be listed in a log file, and opened automatically. Note down the SID for your account. Then, in the registry editor, select the correct SID that belongs to your user account. In the right pane, double-click the profile image path value and change the profile path. Profile image path stores the full path of the user account home folder. Example. Close Registry Editor, and restart Windows. See if you're able to log on to that user profile successfully. Additionally, to verify if the path has been changed successfully, type set in the command prompt. In case you find any abnormal behavior when running an application, you may undo the above procedure.
Source: rename local user account. This would work for the editions having Mac.
Fontes, production, this is your substack.